Welcome back to Quiz University, reminding you that knowledge is power.
For this video, it's time for a level up quiz challenge in your Earth and Life class. A few seconds per question to answer, and you can pause if you need more time. The correct answers will be pinned in the comment section, so stay tuned. Remember to hit subscribe for more quiz challenges. Are you ready? Let's begin. Why is it that erosion is an exogenic process? It is because erosion What happens during the process when oxygen combines with another substance like minerals in rocks, yielding compounds called oxides? It is a process in which a molecule of a substance in rocks chemically combine with water molecules. What is this process? Which sedimentary rock is made up of pebbles and pieces of gravel cemented together? Which type of sedimentary rock is formed by the accumulated sedimentary debris caused by organic processes? Gold are shiny and tourmalines are glassy. What property is being exhibited by gold and tourmalines? Cleavage is the tendency of a mineral to break along planes of weak bonding. Which property of minerals is more likely related to cleavage? In hydration, water is an active agent of chemical weathering. What happens when water loosely combines with the minerals of the rocks? What does the presence of tiny crystals in a piece of igneous rock tells us about? It tells us that the igneous rock Where are the oldest layers of sedimentary rocks usually located in a cliff? If metamorphic rock is formed from limestone, where does shale come from? Which of these is an example of erosion? The following are examples of physical weathering, except if you live in an area near volcano, what type of rock would likely to be found in the area? Which of the following is an igneous rock? How does freezing water cause the weathering of rocks? Metamorphic rocks form deep inside Earth from other types of rocks. Which forces produce metamorphic rocks? How do igneous, intrusive rocks form? How is the texture described if an igneous rock has large crystals and is coarse-grained? What is the term for the general process by which rocks are broken down at the Earth's surface? In which of the following climates will chemical weathering be most rapid? Which of the following activities has resulted in an increased rate of weathering? What is the process where sediments are dropped off in a new location? Which is not true about rock cycle? What is the difference between a rock and a mineral? Which causes sedimentary rock to change into metamorphic rock? While walking in his backyard, Bill picked up an object that he thought was a rock. When he dropped, it broke. He noticed that there were crystals inside. Now he is not sure if the object was a rock. What did Bill find? A scientist is investigating an unknown mineral. As a safety precaution, what should he never do in this investigation? Paul wants to identify a mineral. He rubs a corner of the mineral across a white tile and records the color of the mark. What property is Paul testing? A steel nail can scratch a certain mineral. A copper penny cannot scratch the same mineral. Which statement is true about the mineral? That's it. Let me know in the comments section your score and share this to your friends to see if they can beat you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more. See you in the next episode of The Quiz University.